Hello and welcome. My name is Sam Logan, smartmoneyfirm.com. I will be sharing with you how to make a trade at Hitbtc. If you're new, novice to this exchange world, I'm going to walk you through how to make your first trade. So what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is, well, giving that you've gotten your tokens or your coins, everything you have already in your accounts. So let me show with you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Ethereum. I'm going to use Ethereum coin and trade it for KBC. So let me show you how that looks. Let me go to my account on the front side. So you see how I navigate through this. Now this is the account area. This is where you make deposits and withdrawals. If you know, there are many other videos you can watch to really get to this point, but what I'm going to do is show you how simple it is to make a buy on the exchange on Hitbtc. So the first thing you would want to check for is to see if the currency is there that you're looking to exchange. And of course, I have all these tabs open, and my system is running a little slow. Make sure I am in network. I should be close out some of these windows. So I should do. So just bear with me here as my system catches up. Let me close out some of this stuff. All right, let me close out that. Try to speed this system up a little bit. Yeah, just taking you through my study. Let's go back over here. Okay, so here we go. Well, obviously now it pops up. It's a little slow. Like I said, I got all these windows up. I apologize about that, but we're going to jump right into this situation. So you want to make sure that you would see main account and trading account. So if, for example, if I had all this 1333 was over here at the main account, what I would do is hit this little arrow right there, and it would go over to my trading account immediately. So if you are looking to trade, you want to make sure come to this your account. Make sure you have that that currency available to make the trade that you're looking to trade. So in this situation, I'm actually going to trade Ethereum for KBC, which is Carat Bank coin. All right. So let me jump right over to the exchange. It's a real simple process. And you'll see as I get into the exchange how the bidding actually moves. Now, once you go over here to the exchange, your chart will come up. This is the trading chart from TradingView, a very reputable company that's in the trading industry. So what this is showing you here is Carat Bank coin against Ethereum. So you come down, you could actually study this chart if you want to, but the Carat Bank coin just launched about 3 or 4 days ago. So the volume on that thing is like real low. The value is low. The time right now is to buy. So what we want to look at here is so let's just you'll scroll down a little bit more, and you'll see where it says buy KBC or sell KBC, right? So what I want to do is buy KBC at the market order, or at the market order, not limit, not scale. All that is, it's another chapter. Okay, so basically, and then if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see some orders that's being populated. So you're looking at the ask. You can look at the ask and see what people are looking. So right here, not only that, but you can see the best ask. It gives you the best ask price. So 22, 22. So what you do is you can click. So basically, my goal is just to sell all this. Actually, it's only get 5,000. That's shocking. For let's see, 552. All right, so that should be, I don't know how much in Ethereum that is, but But look, so basically, as you can see, it's really, yeah. So all you do is you would click your balance, basically, which you're saying that you're going to use your entire balance to purchase 5,260 carat bank coins. I want to see how much that is real quick. Let me see. Well, let's go to here. I'm curious. I can go ahead and make that sale. Let me just go ahead and buy it. Market value. Just go ahead. So basically, you just buy here and see it. See how I just hit buy. So I already purchased. The order's already in. It's really that simple. You buy it. So it gives you some stuff already, and you can manipulate that if you want to. But what I do is I'll come down here and look and see what the best price is, and it gives you the best price, the best asking price, and and so look at it. The asking price are going higher. Look at it, higher, higher, higher. I guess the higher the amount, the higher the asking price. But so this is the amount that I purchased right here, 5,260 carat bank coin. And if you come over to, so that my balance changed to 37,600. All right, so it's really that simple. I hope I helped you out in a way to get you on the right track. And look forward to sharing some more exciting stuff with you. So take care. Talk to you soon.